Most of the ways I show you to get premium AI tools for free have one problem. They don't last forever, a free trial expires, a student offer can disappear, a promo code gets patched. So instead of constantly searching for the next method to get ChatGPT Plus or Claude Pro for free, there's another approach. Earn the money for it. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how EarnX works, how you can earn through offers, how the referral program works, and how you can withdraw your earnings. So here's the idea. EarnX is a platform where you can complete different offers, games, apps, and surveys to earn money. You don't have to pay to join, and you can check the offers available to you after creating an account. I'm going to walk you through the entire process so you can see how it works before you try it yourself. One important thing before we start. EarnX is 18 plus only, and offer availability depends on your country. I'm recording this from India, so the offers I'm showing here are based on what can be available to users in India. First, open EarnX and create your account. You'll go through the normal sign-up process, and during sign-up, you'll see the field where you can enter a bonus code. I'm using the code WEENBOY. By using this code, you will get $2 bonus instantly, so don't forget to add this code. I'll also leave the EarnX link in the description and in the pinned comment, so you can find it easily. Once you've finished signing up, you'll land on the EarnX dashboard, and this is where you can start looking through the available offers. Now, this is the important part. This is the offer wall. You'll find different types of opportunities here, including games, apps, and surveys. But here's something you need to understand. Your offer wall may look completely different from mine. That's because offers and payouts can depend on your country. And notice that these are listed as pays up to amounts. They're not guaranteed earnings. The actual offers available to you can be different. Before we look at how to complete an offer, there's actually another way you can earn through EarnX. EarnX also has a referral program. Once you have your own referral link, you can share it with other people. If people join through your referral and meet the applicable requirements, you can earn through the referral program. So you basically have two different ways to use EarnX. You can complete offers yourself, or you can share your referral link and earn from people you bring onto the platform. And now let me show you how the offer side actually works. Now, let's say you find an offer that you want to try. For example, I'm using Magnet Miner as the India example. The first thing you should do is open the offer and carefully read the requirements. You'll normally see exactly what you need to do to qualify for the reward. It could be reaching a specific milestone inside the game, completing a particular action, or meeting another requirement listed on the offer. Once you've understood the requirements, start the offer using the link provided by EarnX. If the offer requires you to download an app or game, make sure you start it through the EarnX offer link so your progress can be tracked. Then simply follow the requirements shown on the offer. You don't need to guess what you have to do. Just keep checking the offer requirements and make sure you're completing them exactly as specified. Once you've reached the required milestone, the reward can be credited to your EarnX account. And that's basically the process. Choose an offer, read the requirements, start it through EarnX, complete the milestone, and receive the reward. The exact requirements and rewards will vary depending on the offer. After completing an eligible offer, you can come back to your EarnX dashboard and check your balance. This is where you'll be able to see whether the reward has been credited to your account. Keep in mind that offers can rotate and availability can change. So don't assume that an offer you see today will necessarily be available tomorrow. And again, what you see depends on your country and account. Now let's talk about the part everyone actually cares about, getting the money out. Once you've met the requirements for withdrawal, go to the withdrawal section of your EarnX account. Here you'll see the payout methods available to you. Choose the method available to your account, enter the required information, and submit the withdrawal. Once submitted, you can check the status of the withdrawal from your account. The available payout methods and processing details can vary, so always check what's shown in your own dashboard. And this is the basic flow. Earn, reach the withdrawal requirement, and request your payout. And this is why I think this approach is interesting for someone watching this channel. Instead of constantly hunting for another free trial or trying to find a promo code that might disappear, you can earn money through available offers and then decide what you want to spend that money on. For example, if you want to pay for an AI subscription like ChatGPT Plus or Claude Pro, you can use your earnings toward that subscription. The point isn't that you're getting the subscription for free. You're earning the money and then deciding how you want to use it. And that's a much more sustainable approach than depending on one temporary promotion. So if you want to check EarnX for yourself, I'll put my link in the description, and I've also pinned it in the comments. And remember to use code WEENBOY when you sign up for the available sign-up bonus. Just remember 3 things. First, EarnX is 18 plus only. Second, offer availability varies by region. And third, the maximum payout shown on an offer isn't a guaranteed amount. Always read the actual requirements before starting. If you're tired of constantly searching for the next free trial for your AI tools, check the link below and see what offers are available in your country.